2 white deer. Kind of cool. You don't see that every day, huh? A lot of them here up in this area, actually. I wanted to show everybody basswood tree. This is a small basswood tree. Very, very small basswood tree. But every one that I've seen is starting with these little flowerlets here, getting ready to pop. But they're very, very easy to see because you can see the leaves and then the white change, and this is the leaf. It's actually sort of inverted over the top of the flowers. And the best thing about basswood is it doesn't matter if it rains or not, because they hang down like this. And so if it rains, the flowers are protected and they're not getting washed out by all the nectar and pollen isn't getting washed out. So the bees can still forage when it's a little wet. And this is just a small tree, and it is absolutely loaded, and every single basswood I have seen is completely loaded with blooms this year. So thank God, because nothing else provided a nectar flow this year. Absolutely nothing else. So all the little flowerlets all over here are getting ready to pop open in the next 2 weeks, I'm gonna guess, and it should be a banner basswood flow. Absolute banner. Even a tree this size could probably produce you 50 pounds of honey per hive, I bet you. Amazing. And we're also, our sumac, staghorn sumac, has got a pretty good crop as well. So keep fingers crossed.